Inkscape. If you've ever opened a new document and noticed that the background or workspace color doesn't match what you want, don't worry because it's very easy to customize. Changing the canvas color can help you design more comfortably, especially if you're working on dark designs, light illustrations, or preparing graphics that need a specific background color. By the end of this video, you'll know how to change the page background color, adjust the border and shadow color, and even modify the desk color around your canvas. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump straight into Inkscape and get started. First, open Inkscape and create a new document or open an existing project. Once your document is open, you'll see the main canvas area in the center of the screen. This is where all your designs appear. Now, to change the canvas color, we need to open something called Document Properties. This panel controls settings related to your page, including size, units, background color, and more. To open it, go to the top menu and click on File, then select Document Properties. As soon as you click it, a Document Properties window will appear on your screen. Inside the Document Properties panel, look for the section that controls the background color of the page. You will see an option labeled Background Color. Click on this option and a color selector window will open. This color picker allows you to choose any color you want for the canvas. You can drag inside the color area to select a shade, adjust the hue slider to pick a different color family, and even control the transparency using the alpha slider if you want the background to be transparent. For example, if you want a solid background, make sure the alpha value is set to full opacity. As you move the sliders, you will immediately see the canvas color update in your document. Once you've chosen the color you like, you can simply close the background color window. Your new canvas color will remain applied to the page. But there are a couple more useful visual settings you might want to adjust while you're already in the Document Properties panel. One of these is the border and shadow color. This controls the outline and shadow effect around your page. Click on the border and shadow color option and another color picker will appear. Just like before, you can drag through the color selector and sliders to choose the exact color you want for the page border and shadow effect. Adjusting the border and shadow can make your canvas easier to see, especially if you're working with light backgrounds. After choosing the color you prefer, close the border and shadow color window to apply the change. Finally, there is one more setting called Desk Color. The desk color controls the area surrounding the page, which is the workspace behind the canvas. If you want a darker interface or a different workspace tone, click on Desk Color. This will open another color picker where you can drag the selector to choose a new color for the workspace background around your page. Once you select your preferred desk color, close that color window and then close the Document Properties panel. Your Inkscape workspace will now reflect all the changes you made, including the canvas background, the page border and shadow, and the desk color around your document. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how comfortable it is to design, especially during long design sessions or when working with certain color palettes. And that's it. That's exactly how to change the canvas color in Inkscape. It only takes a few seconds once you know where the settings are located. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more quick and helpful design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.